What's up guys, welcome back to Trill Ideas. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys about a crypto arbitrage. So before I go on to do that, I made a previous video on how you can be making a cardless arbitrage on Binance using the cash link. So today's video we'll be discussing about a crypto arbitrage whereby you'll be buying from a platform and be selling directly on another platform for profits. So you guys might be thinking on how you guys will be getting this arbitrage or how you'll be notified about the arbitrage opportunity. Don't worry guys, I got you guys covered already. So all I want from you guys is just to pay a very good attention as I walk you guys through how you can be doing this on a daily basis for your profits. So now, if this is the first time I'll be coming across my YouTube channel, I would like you to click on subscribe button, and for those that have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please ensure to click on subscribe button right away and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. This is my Telegram group where I normally share ideas before making video on YouTube channel, and anytime I make a video on YouTube channel I normally post the link here for you guys to be notified that a new video has been posted on my YouTube channel. So do as well as to do yourself a favor to join this Telegram group too. You have the freedom to chat with people unlimitedly on this group here. So now I don't like this video to be too long. I'll be walking you guys through right away. So if you don't have any idea about how crypto arbitrage work, let me brief you guys on how it works. What you need to do is to buy a crypto on a platform and sell on the other platform. Let's say you are buying on KuCoin, then you are selling on Binance. You understand? Maybe BTC is being sold at a rate of 16,000 USD on KuCoin, so you have to buy on the KuCoin platform, that is the exchange platform, and sell directly on your Binance for your profits. Let's say it's being sold on Binance at a rate of $17,000, or $16,500 or $16,200. That $200 difference is the profit, you understand? And that's why it's being called crypto arbitrage. So I'll be walking you guys through. There's a application you'll be making use of called Coin App. It's called Coin App. You search for it. This is the application here. This is how it looks like exactly. I already have mine installed. That's why it's showing me an option to open directly. So if you don't have it, what you need to do now is to click on install. But for me, I already have it, so I'll click on open to open the application. So once the application is open, this is how it look like. So there are some key things I would like you guys to pay attention to as I walk you guys through it. As you can see, these are the differences. These are the differences in price, and you buying from this platform and you be selling on this platform. So there's a key settings I want you guys to pay attention to. What you need to do now is to click on this filter right away. Once you click on it, there are some treats, you understand? There are some trades that are offline, so I already turn it off. I don't want those don't show me those kind of trade. Unknown status, any trade that is not sure, just turn it off. I don't want it. These are the volume look like once you install your application. This is the default, so you can increase it to like 20, and just leave it at this 20 is okay. Auto refresh in 10 seconds is okay. So it will be refreshing the platform every 10 seconds for you to know if there is any difference in price on those coins. Then take note of this, it's not all coins that I trade. USDT is a stable currency, is a fiat currency, so I don't trade it. I'll turn it off right away. The BTC is on, the Ethereum too is on. So come down slowly. These ones are what's it called, the exchanging platforms. Those are the exchange man, they call it exchange management, but they are just like Binance, KuCoin, all those exchanging platforms whereby you can buy and sell your crypto. So if you want to just install yours, all this stuff might be on, but this is how I leave my own settings. Binance is on. And the most amazing part of this platform, the key things you need to know now, you understand? All this platform you are seeing, you need to register and verify it. You need to register on the platform and verify, because without your account being verified, there's no way you can carry out transaction on it. So Bittrex, I think I'm having an account on Bittrex too. I'm having an account on Bittrex. I'm having an account of that is CX. Yes. I'm having an account with Xmo too. This Gemini, I registered it, but I don't want to trade it for now. Just for now. Kraken, I'm having accounts. I have accounts with them, but I'll still turn it off. But let me just leave it on. Let me leave it on. KuCoin is on. Okay, I'm having accounts with them. I'll show you all the applications for you guys to see, so I won't look like maybe I'm just telling you guys what all those applications I've not registered. These are the ones I know I've registered and I trust them. You understand? Like, I don't trust other doesn't mean they are not okay. They are also okay, but these are the ones that I've verified myself. You understand? I've registered and verified my accounts with them. So that's all. Then you go back. So like I said, I'll be showing you guys the applications. Sorry, that's the exchange platforms that I've registered. As you can see, this Bittrex, Bitmart, even Bitcook. I've registered all these stuff I'm showing you. I've registered and verified them. You see, CoinCola, Coinbase. You understand? Those are the key things you guys need to do. This is 2023. You guys need to register on those platforms so that at any time there's opportunity on those platforms, you quickly make use of it. This L Bank, Orbit, KuCoin. You understand? There's Binance too there. See Binance here. See Bybit, CCEX.io. So there are a lot of them that are registered on. So I would advise you guys, see Mercurio, Luno. You guys need to register on this platform. You understand? OKS and co. So if you're enjoying this content so far, please ensure to give it a thumbs up right away, because as you are doing that, you are also helping the channel. Please, and if you have not subscribed, if you're watching my video for long now, you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure to do that right away now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. As you can see, the differences here. This one is showing 164%. That doesn't mean I will trade it. I can't trade this because the signal is showing yellow. What I normally trade as something of this nature, and I can't trade this one currently. What's it called? This SMR, I can't trade it currently because the percentage difference is too low. It's 0.08%. Sorry, 0.07%. So I can't still trade it. The percentage that I always look for is around, let's say 10%, anything 10% or from 6% upward. That's what I normally look for, because as you can see, this stuff, it's somehow creepy. In the next 20 seconds or in the next 1 minute, there might be a change in the price again. Everything will normalize. So those are the key things you need to note. And if you want to carry out arbitrage on this kind of, if you want to carry out this type of arbitrage, let's assume that you want to make use of Kraken, Binance, KuCoin, and OKS. You just need to select, like, let's say 4. Because for me now, I'm using OKS, I'm using Binance, Kraken, and KuCoin. Those are the ones I'm using for now. You understand? So what I did, I think last week, was that I deposited like $100 into those accounts. So if there's any opportunity, you don't need to go through the stress or waste the time of depositing into that platform to go and get the coin. So you already have USDT there waiting for you for the opportunity to come. Once you just see the opportunity, you check into your criteria. Those are the hedge, like it's worth taking, you understand? And once you are doing this, take note of this. There's a gas fee. There's a gas fee. I need to check if the platform you want to make use of is accepting withdrawal of that particular coin you want to buy. Let's assume that I want to buy this coin, this SMR and KuCoin. What you need to do first before buying the coin, go and check if they are accepting the withdrawal at the moment before you go and buy. So if they are accepting the withdrawal, you go ahead and buy. So once you buy, immediately you send to KuCoin. Let's say you buy from Kraken, then send to KuCoin. Once it gets to your KuCoin, you trade it back immediately and convert it back to your fiat, that is your stable currency, which is USDT, you understand, and make your profits. That is how it works. Take note of this. There is gas fee, so that's why I want my percentage ratio to be high, the differences, and it must be in green before I go ahead to buy. So that is how it works. As for today, there's no any opportunity. I've not been able to make any opportunity for today. So if you're enjoying the content so far, please ensure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm expecting you guys to do so before I carry on to the next stage. Ensure to like the video right away. I'm waiting for you guys to do that. And if you have not subscribed, ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so as to get notified anytime I drop a new video. So this is how coin app. Some people call it coin gap. Why me I call it coin app? That's how it works. So these are the currencies. Sorry, these are the cryptos you can trade. These are the cryptos you can trade. All these ones are stable currencies. Only Ethereum for now and BTC. So that's all about this coin app. So I would like to call it a day because I don't want this video to be too long. I love you all. Stay tuned.